Hi guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add an header in your WordPress post like this using WP Bakery Page Builder. To add a header like this, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Once you logged into your dashboard, now go to plugins and click on add new button. Now in the search bar, search unlimited add-ons for WP Bakery Page Builder. Now click on search button. Here you can see unlimited add-ons for WP Bakery Page Builder. Install the plugin. And then click on activate button. Now your plugin was successfully activated. Now go to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates. Now over our post and click on add new. Add post title. And publish the post. Now once your post was published, click on WP Bakery Page Builder button and then click on backend editor. Now click on this add element button. Go to select this custom heading widget, add heading and save changes. Now click on this plus button, add text block, just save changes. Now we will add a post header. For this, click on this plus button, go to starter pack section. Here you can see starter header. Click on it. Now here you can see a background image. You can choose a default background from your media library. Click on insert. Now here the header text. I'm adding channel name. Here you have to add subtitle. Now here you can change text color like this. Also you can change background text color. I'm making it black. Change button color, button text. I'm adding read more. You can change button text color and add button link. Just leave the link. Now just save changes and drag this section to above heading and text block. Now preview the post. Now here you can see your header and text block. Now we will make this post full width. For this, go back to editor. Here you can see sidebar. Make container to full width and sidebar to no sidebar. Now edit this header. Choose image. Just change color of this image to white. Save changes and view changes. Now it will look like this. Here's the sub heading, here your heading and button. You can add link under this button. Here's your content of post. That's how you can add header in your post using WP Bakery and unlimited add-ons for WP Bakery plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.